All powers are within you. You can do anything and everything. Swami Vivekananda. Hello friends, how are you doing today? So in this video, we are going to talk about cloud packs, okay? And before going for that, I just wanted to take one simple real-time scenario and explain how that will be a right scenario for talking about this cloud pack, okay? Assume that you are working with a simple microservices architecture and you are building a e-commerce application for your company and running it in your legacy on-premises server, okay? And the main problem with running your e-commerce application on the on-premises server is it is e-commerce application, so the volume of the request will go higher and higher during your festival days and holiday days, right? And your server infrastructure platform may not be in a position to scale up to serve all the high volume of requests, right? So if you, and also like if your e-commerce application is a microservice architecture and it may need to connect to the different dependent systems, like the billing system, order management system, and order fulfillment system, all those stuffs, right? So those systems may not be in your maybe it is in your on premises, and you may need to create a lot of interfaces to connect to those systems so that you can run your e-commerce application as a fulfilled package in your infrastructure, right? So this is a typical example of e-commerce application built in microservice architecture, connecting to various system running on your on-premises server, right? So what are all the flaws or drawbacks of this architecture? Basically, your microservice is good, there is no doubt in it, but how this particular architecture is connecting to the dependent system and collect the data, different types of data, and how your organization is using those data to get the benefit out of it, right? So basically, every organization in the current world depends on the data. If you are able to handle or utilize the data in the proper way, you can get more business from your application, and also you'll get more profit, obviously, okay? So this is all like a typical e-commerce application running on your on premises, right? So how you can modernize this, that is the question. So modernization is always needed because the current digital world needs lot of components to serve different types of records and the data which is coming from different sources, right? Suppose if it is like your e-commerce system, the people may come to your store and purchase the product, or they can do an online order, or they can use any devices like a cell phone or a laptop or anything to place the order. And also the type of data that you receive may be like a different format, right? The data may come in the picture format, the data may be in the YAML format, the data may be in the JSON format. So you should be able to handle all those formats of the data to modernize your system, okay? For that, what all other organizations, like service providers, public cloud providers are doing, they are building different types of services and helping all these kind of e-commerce applications and organizations to modernize their data, right? And IBM has a powerful tool called IBM Cloud Pack for data. So what exactly it does, it just think that you want to handle the data by yourself, okay? So what you will do, you will hire the data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts, and train them with the latest technologies, and also artificial intelligence and machine learning model creation. So think about the cost associated with that. You have to first find the skilled resources, and second, you have to train them, and you have to buy the services from different cloud service providers to fulfill the data monetization work, right? So these are all the expenses that you will be or you would be investing in your organization to modernize the data. So think that if any package that does everything for you, like this, like data collection, data organization, data analysis, and data infusion with any AI and artificial intelligence and machine learning model. Think about that. If you have any kind of package in this world to do all these work for you, it's fantastic, right? So you don't need to go through all the pains of hunting the resources and training them and buying the required services for them to modernize the data, right? So that's what IBM has done. IBM created a cloud for data product, and it has multiple services inside it. Okay, so ETL service for data stage, and the data collector, data virtualization services, and artificial intelligence and machine learning model infused with that package. So all you need to do is just get that package and plug it into your environment where your e-commerce application is running, and it will take care of the complete life cycle of collecting the data, organizing the data, and removing all the junk data and keep only the valid data, and then um, analyze the data, and then it will create a machine learning model. Okay, and it will infuse the artificial intelligence in the machine learning model with the built-in 1000 plus algorithms in the package already it is coming with. Okay, so this is a cloud for data component. Okay, or you can say it as cloud for data product, which will help you to modernize your e-commerce application by infusing AI and ML model with the data, so that you can get a lot of benefits out of your data, so that you can grow the business in the way that you want to grow. Okay, and the second cloud pack is cloud for integration. So your application, e-commerce application, may need to integrate with MQ, event streaming, real-time event streaming, and also you may have multiple APIs. You may need to connect with multiple APIs to integrate with the different systems, right? And also you may have the integration service bus. So all these are typical components in case of any e-commerce application which is running in your infrastructure, right? So as we knew about this club of data, this club of integration also has the same level of features, similar level of features, like it's a bundle of all integration services available. Suppose if you are going for any public cloud service provider and pick one service for connecting your all event dots, and another service for connecting all your API, you may need to spin up multiple services and maintain multiple services, and you should have the resources to handle all these services, right? And also you should have the skilled people to handle all these services. So you can get rid of all these headaches with only one package, that is called cloud for integration. Okay, so this package comes with all the required services for any organization to integrate their applications and run their applications in an integrated way. And also this club for integration comes up with the artificial intelligence model, so it will help you to identify the critical resources to connect and how to handle the integration properly. All those out of the box features are available. So you may need to just learn this cloud pack with a very less skill, right? You don't need to have a coding skill. You don't need to write a lot of codings. It's just low code application. Okay, so this is going to fulfill your integration solutions. All the integration solutions can be obtained with Clubhofer integration. Okay, and the third product is Clubhofer automation. So when it comes to automation, the integration and automation goes hand in hand, right? So if you are having a system, and if you plan to integrate with multiple other components, MQ, events, real-time events, and APIs, right? And you should have an automation to do a monitoring of those applications, right? So when it comes to automation, you may go for network automation and also the application automation or business application automation, where the monitoring will be done in the predictive way, not as a reactive way. So the Cloud Paks for Business Automation provide a lot of features like the automating your workflow, automation of your existing systems or testing automation. Everything is done through this Cloud Paks for automation. And the fourth one is Cloud Paks for Watson AIOPS. So IBM is master in Watson, right? Watson is their service, and they built Watson with lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning model associated inside it. And what it will do, it will do a predictive analysis on all the logs, data, issues, whatever it is flowing through in your system or in your infrastructure or network. Okay, the major components are turbonomics, which takes care of all your monitoring solutions, and also it takes care of helping your organization, so all applications um, monitor the issues and predict the issues, and it will provide you the details of the issues so that you can address the issues very easy way. And also there is another component in Watson AIOps, Instana. Instana is another product where it will help you to dig through all the issues and address all the issues in predictive way. Okay, and the fifth component or fifth cloud pack is a Cloud Pak for security. Okay, so for every system, not only your e-commerce application or any organization, security is the key, right? In modern trend, the vulnerabilities, breach, everything is growing in multiple fold as the other technologies are growing. So the security is always very, very important for any of the organizations. So not only your e-commerce application, but also other any type of applications, right? So this Cloud Pak for security, what it does, it has many market outstanding products like QRadar. So that will help you to analyze your flows, whatever the data flows happening inside your organization through any application, and track those flows and check for the vulnerabilities, and save your application with the zero trust mechanisms. Okay, so these are all the five major cloud packs developed by IBM, and it is easy to use, and you don't need to have a very high level skilled resources to implement all these product. And the beauty of these cloud packs is these cloud packs run on OpenShift, and all you know is like the OpenShift is hybrid cloud platform, so you can integrate your public cloud, private cloud, and on-premises services along with your public clouds, right? So these are all the major benefits of going with IBM's cloud packs, and your organization get definitely lot of benefits out of this cloud pack. And you can compete with your compete with your other competitors better, and you can go in the leading direction when you implement this cloud pack for any of your needs, like whether it's a data need or integration need or automation need or AML and artificial intelligence need or security need. Okay, and I have written a very good article about this one and published in LinkedIn. I have provided the link over here in the description. You can click on the link and read through this article and get the benefit and details about this cloud packs. Okay, and if you want to discuss more about this cloud packs, please leave your comment in the comment box below. We can talk and collaborate more. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. We can talk more about it, and you can get notification about all the new things that I'm posting in this channel. Take care. Bye.